Alright guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, or if you saw the picture on the video, I'm gonna be changing this carbon fiber centerpiece back to the OEM one because honestly, I just want to see how it looks with the EDM tail lights and the whole like red centerpiece. Even though I like carbon fiber a lot, I just want to throw this OEM piece back on just to see how it looks, maybe rock it for a couple weeks. Alright, so I don't have struts on my car, so I'm going to be using this rod just to hold up the trunk. Just going to put it like this. Let's see. Just like that. Hopefully it doesn't fall on me, squish my head, you know. Oh well. So to take this centerpiece off, all we gotta do is remove this piece, the center plastic piece. So it should just lift up and off, just like that. Cool. Put that down, and then should be a couple 10 mil bolts holding it on. If we look at this one, it's gonna be 7 bolts holding it on, so just grab a 10 mil. Alright, so I got all of the 7 bolts off of this, and then it should just come right off. Just like that. And there we go. The carbon fiber one is off. And we're gonna see how the other one looks. This one should just slide right on. Let's see. Just like that. Damn, I like that, the whole red look, honestly. I think I'm gonna be rocking this more than the carbon fiber look, not gonna lie. So all we have to do is put on the 10 mils back on, and then it's good to go, and I'll show you guys how it looks once it's fully on. Alright guys, so this is how it looks with the Eclipse centerpiece in red. Let me know down in the comments which one you like better, the red or the carbon fiber one. Honestly, I think the red Eclipse one makes it look like, I don't know, it just looks better to me. It's like more aesthetically pleasing. But all we gotta do is put this back on. Just throw that in there real quick. It just like, there's these little clips right here that just clip in, and then it's good to go. Just like, all right, that's in. Let's close this.